Here we go.
No matter how much I could never get it like you.
Yeah, well, some things you gotta let the pros do, man.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I'm not a pro with this. But it's another thing if you get on that stove, though.
Yeah. So your kitchen's open to the public too, man? You serving?
Yeah.
Tell me a little bit more about that.
I'm getting my menu together right now.
Okay.
Once I get my menu together, I can tell you a little bit more. And once I get my menu together and get that piece of paper.
Okay.
You know, but I could talk all day for friends and family. They can come over anytime they want to pay.
All right.
You know what I mean? But as far as a legitimate business,
Mm-hmm.
that's going to be about a month.
Okay.
To get all those certifications. Serve safe.
Now, are you on the waterfront side or?
Yeah.
Oh man.
Yeah.
That's heavy.
I'm literally on O Street.
Mm-hmm.
M is Main Avenue basically.
Okay.
And I'm 5 minutes from the district wharf and 5 minutes from the stadium.
All right, bud.
I get to see my city, you know.
So when were you able to get down in there? When did you start?
2 months ago.
2 months ago. Okay, very good.
Yeah, like recently.
That's good, man. Especially with everything that's going on. How are you able to? I mean, I know licensing is slow and all that stuff because of what's going on.
So license is not licensing. There's no licensing. It's good.
So what's the hold? You just waiting on the city?
Yeah. Yeah, because everything's shut down.
Yeah.
You can't go to a government building.
That's true. That's interesting. That's very. That's fantastic to be able to open up a little business during these times.
Yeah, he's
Sorry, bud.
He said, yeah.
Yeah, they're pretty thick today, man.
Yeah, that's it.
What type of type of menu you think you're gonna do?
International.
International, Pat?
Yeah, definitely. Definitely international. See, I'm a freestyling chef, so it's gonna be a menu, but I don't have a
Mm-hmm.
I'll let you finish that.
Okay, gotcha. Cord out of here for you.
That cord got me in my tippy toes.
Almost got it all out. Almost got it.
It's because I'm a freestyling chef. I don't use recipes.
Okay.
Because so you just tell me the flavor that you want,
Mm-hmm.
and I hook it up.
Gotcha.
I cook for I show you my phone. I cook for my buddy. He get your ass locked up. If he got a story on you, you going to jail. And guess where he going? He going anywhere you are. If you got a gun, you got crack. Is coming in the alley. That's one of my clients.
Okay.
I could for him 2 nights ago, posted on Facebook, and people went crazy. She's like, "That's my wife." I said, "Nah, that's my man." You be trying to get me to tell, but I don't do no telling. I tell on you, but I don't tell.
Right.
I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell on you, and I'm gonna point at you when they come get you. And I'm gonna say, "Yeah, I told," but I'm not gonna go to say, "He did it." Go knock him. Nah. It's called high. I'm gonna tell you and tell him I told you, and then tell you I told him. But then you need to be in jail.
Yeah. You do have a little blister in this one.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's the opening right there. There's the opening right there.
Okay.
So you had a little opening, so I was able to.
Is it bad?
No, it's not terrible.
And that really hadn't been bothering me though. Between the toes, they ain't been bothering. It's just on the big toe, like this right here, and down here, the blisters been coming. I don't know where they been coming from. Where that skin becoming run? I guess it's neglecting being outside, right?
Yeah, well, you know, you're a hard-working dude. So folks like yourself,
I'm always moving.
they're always moving, and when, you know, it's not unusual for us to see this. I'll feel better when I'm done with it.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got normal skin underneath. That's good.
Huh?
It's normal skin underneath all of this.
Okay.
There's a snipper here to clean this up. So you have to make sure you keep it dry between your toes.
Yes, sir.
All right, using a foot powder or a spray.
Okay.
Was it itching at all?
Uh-uh. Oh.
That's looking much better. And it's not a regular cut. It's like a razor cut. Yeah.
They don't really cut you deep, but it just cuts you like a paper cut, and it's just so irritating.
Yeah, it can be serious laceration.
What's it called?
A laceration.
Laceration. What does that mean?
So just a linear cut.
A what?
A long cut.
Okay, laceration.
That's longer than it is deep.
Okay.
Yeah, there's no core on this one. There's no cord on this one, so that's good.
I haven't really had no problems with that one before. It's that big toe that's been the problem.
Yeah. All right, bro, let's go ahead and roll them on over.
Okay, that's no problem.
This is Kevin Jefferson, the DC Foot Doctor. Thank you for watching this video. Like it with a big thumbs up to see very interesting cases and my approach and techniques to dealing with them, and to learn how you can improve your foot health. Subscribe to the channel. Ring the bell so you will know when a new video has been uploaded. Follow me on social media at DC Foot Doctor. Most importantly, take care of your feet.